In front of me is OPPO A17 and today I would like to show you how you can use voice recorder on this OPPO device. First of all, you need to access Tools folder, then choose Recorder app. Now select Allow in the pop-ups, or if you see this kind of pop-up, tap on Settings and tap on the switcher next to Allow access to manage all files. Then go back and choose Allow. Over here you can click on those three dots at the top right corner, select Settings and adjust all of them however you wish to, like recording file format. Then go back, choose Standard and tap on one of those options, Standard, Meeting or Interview. I will go with Meeting, so I have to click on it and tap on this red button to start my recording. Then choose while using the app or only this time. Now you can pause it or unpause it by tapping on the same button. In order to add a bookmark, click on this flag icon, and in order to add a photo bookmark, click on the camera one. Now you need to click on Agree and Continue, choose Allow or Cancel, and tap on the shutter to take your photo. You can discard it by choosing this X or save it by tapping on checkmark. If you wish to end your recording and save it, click on this checkmark at the top right corner and type in wherever you wish to. Then choose Save. Now as you can see, my recording was successfully created. In order to listen to it, tap on it. In order to delete it though, you need to hold it, select Delete at the bottom right corner and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!